hear about your country?
Mm. Okay, which one
Anything?
though? South Africa or Morocco?
No, the question
Mm-hmm.
is that something that you were having there
Mm-hmm.
or dealing with there, but you
Mm-hmm.
miss here. Those things you miss here in
Right.
Cambodia.
Okay. So I can say for Morocco, I
Okay.
miss here from Morocco is it would be that in Morocco everything is open until maybe midnight. Like we call
Okay.
it hanut. Yes.
You mean shops are shops.
Yes, yes, the shops. It's called in Arabic hanut, and hanut means a small shop underneath someone's house or something like that. It's open. But in Cambodia, at 10 o'clock, 10 p.m., most things are closed. Everything
Oh,
closes early.
okay.
So you have to get everything you want before 10 p.m., or you have to order online, and that can take a while and things like that.
So it's
So I miss,
everywhere. Are you sure that it's everywhere in Cambodia?
yes,
Shops are
most,
closed before
yes,
10.
most of the places, unless it's a 24-hour shop. But you'll find
I
one 24-hour shop in a big
I
area.
think, but I think that maybe there's a specific rule by the government, in especially in capital city,
Ooh,
because of populations or tourists there.
mm, that could be, that could be. However,
Yeah.
I would beg to disagree that it should be open later because of a lot of foreigners. And foreigners like staying up
Mm,
late, they like going outside at nighttime. So I think
right.
bars are open. The bars are open, but not convenient, like your convenience stores or things like that.
They are open because they are meant for night.
Yes, yes, that's true. That's true. So that's the
That's
only thing.
why.
And
Okay,
then,
okay.
yes, and then real
Hmm.
quick in South Africa, what I miss from South Africa, my home country, is I miss lamb.
Oh,
I don't know if
okay.
lamb. Yes, they don't really. Lamb here is so expensive because it comes from New Zealand. So you pay a lot of money for lamb, whereas in South Africa it was relatively cheap.
Are you omnivorous or carnivorous?
I'm omnivorous. I'm both. I eat
Okay,
vegetables and I eat meat. Mhm.
okay, okay. That's why. That's why. It's good. It's good. All right. So thank you so much, and I liked your answers. Very
Oh, thank
useful
you.
for me. Yeah,
Mhm.
because when you talk about other cultures and
Mhm.
things about other countries, it also works as a tourist
Yes.
information.
Mhm. That's true.
Uh,
That's very true. But I want to
yes.
know a bit more about you, though. So, what do you do?
Why
What's
not?
your job? Stuff like that.
Okay, cool. So I'm from India. You
Mm-hmm.
guessed it right. And I'm from Northeast. My location is Northeast, very close to Nepal. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yes, my state called Bihar.
Bihar. Oh.
Yes. So my question is that have you ever talked with a person from Bihar?
From Bihar? No. I've
No.
spoken to many people around India, but not from a place called Bihar before. I haven't,
Which
no.
place did you say? Which place did you say?
Um, it's other place from India like Mumbai or the be from Delhi. Or
Mm-hmm.
there's one that's called where they speak Gujarati.
Gujarati, yes. There's a state called
Yes, like
Gujarat
one
in the
of those
west.
states. Hmm.
In the
So I
west.
speak to someone from there as well.
And have you been to India or not?
No, I haven't. Although my dad is from Indian background, so although he's
Oh,
from South
wow.
Africa, his great grandfather and stuff, they came from India to South
Where,
Africa as
where,
slaves.
where from
Um,
India? I mean, where
more?
in India exactly?
Oh gosh, I don't quite know because it's so far back, but I do know that they spoke
Okay.
Tamil.
Tamil. Okay, so
Mhm.
there's a state called Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu.
Maybe from there, I think.
It is because Tamil is spoken in Tamil Nadu. Yes, and it's
Oh,
in the eastern coast of India.
yes, I think that makes more sense. It was near the
So
coast.
you can say southeast. You can say
Southeast.
southeast.
Okay.
Actually, it's a south dominant state.
Hmm.
Okay, but because the uh, its area is
Hmm.
longer, so it also covers some southeast
Right.
areas.
Hmm.
Yes, so it's a coastal state actually in the south.
Okay,
Yeah.
wow. Have you been there?
No, I haven't been there, but I know.
Okay, so you just know quite a bit about the history of India then.
Yes, no, actually, I'm very well known about all the states, all
Hmm.
the locations. Yes, so
So
where
which,
this specific state. Yes.
okay, so out of all the states in India, which do you think is the highly visited one from foreigners,
Okay, so
tourists?
not just one, because there's a reason that there are two green spots in India. Okay,
Mhm.
the first one is in the corner, southeast
Okay.
corner, and that spot, it includes around three states. It's like Kerala, okay? It is
Oh,
Kerala, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. Mumbai
oh.
is the capital of Maharashtra. You know Mumbai.
Yes.
Yes. Bollywood, very popular there.
Hmm.
Yeah. So, and in the east, the second green spot in the east, there are
Hmm.
seven sisters. Seven sisters are actually seven states which are located in east, and they
Hmm.
are also known as seven sisters.
Okay.
Yes, so very green spots. So
Mm,
generally tourists go there in these two places.
right. Yes, I
Yes,
did. I noticed also, I watched a YouTube video once, and I've noticed that there are a lot of foreigners that also live in India.
yeah,
They go there, I think, to retire maybe, or to very like spiritual reasons. They go there.
yeah. Okay, so this is information. And second, that I have a YouTube channel, maybe you
Yes.
know or not,
Mhm.
and I got the permission from you to upload this video on my
Yes, you
channel.
did. Mhm.
Yep.
No
So
problem. You can
generally
go
I
ahead.
work.
Mhm.
Thank you so much. And we have just few seconds, as I can see it's this last minute left.
1 minute, yes.
No, 1 minute left. Yep.
Mhm.
So yes, in general, and I want to be quite popular on YouTube actually.
Ah,
A-
okay. So you're trying
as,
to grow.
as a blogger as well. It's my first channel, and I have a second channel as well.
Okay. So is this your, would this be your job in the future, do you think?
Yes. I,
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it as my career actually.
Your career. Ah, you know what you should do is actually you should also upload on your vlogs interviewing foreigners that are around you,
Listen,
like
listen, listen.
why? Hmm.
Listen, Mika, we have
Yes.
just few seconds, so I wanna
Yes.
say that
Okay.
uh, my channel wrote to
Yes.
you. I've written you over there,
Hmm.
and with the same Insta ID, the same
Okay.
name of my
Hmm.
YouTube channel and Instagram. So if you can write me there,
Hmm.
because I need to talk to you for more permissions, and I
Ah,
don't have
okay.
time left. Yes.
Yes. I will definitely search
Yes.
you on YouTube and Instagram, and I'll send you a message.
Thank you so much, and
All
take care
right.
of yourself.
You too. Bye.